Good morning, subscribers.
We have a special surprise for you guys.
I'm taking over today. Tal's gonna get her hair done.
So I'm leaving. No, literally. That's literally what it is. I'm gonna be gone for like the next 5 or 6 hours. KANEOHE is gonna do the whole morning with me.
All day by myself.
Do the whole morning, not with me.
By myself. You're the one that said with me.
Yeah, so I'm gonna go finally do something about this hair. It's been long overdue. I've had way too many like cancellations and it just didn't work out, and now it finally worked out. Today is the day, but I need to go. Like literally, I need to get out this door. So I love you guys. I love you. I already kissed my babies. Ayla's still sleeping. I'll see you all next time with beautiful hair. This is my before.
Do you miss mommy already? Oh yeah, you do. Lately, La's been very fussy. He's starting to know what he wants, and he always wants to be held. I just had him on the ground earlier. He just jumps right back into my arms. So cute. Now we're just playing, waiting for Sissy to wake up, and then we're gonna make Sissy breakfast. See what she wants. Maybe some waffles and cereal. Can I get a smile? Can I get a smile? Can I get a smile? Look at him. You're trying to climb up my shirt. Aww. I got you, buddy. Girl to the ball. Girl to the ball. Girl to the ball. Come get it. Come get it. Come.
Maybe she's not really think about it. She says she goes. But
Go get it.
better. Huh? Okay. Everybody.
Come on.
What's the Georgie? She doesn't get better because she's bad at basketball. I can say.
If it was stolen, why wouldn't you just say stolen?
Broken, stolen. Recognize the customer's face so they can get their favorite slushie faster.
Ayla's still sleeping. La's just fussier than ever, but it's expected. He misses his mommy. He's not used to not seeing her. That's what he did to me last time. So I'm just rocking him, and he seems like he's cruising. He's liking the movement, the flow of the rock. Yeah? Are you feeling better on the rocking chair? Good morning, baby. What were you saying? Where am I going?
Yeah.
Me and you are gonna stay home with me, you and La'a. You hungry? Did you have a good sleep? Well, look what's behind me. What is it? Right here. Is that something that you wish for?
I wish for the child. Honey, I wish for the child.
You did?
I wish for
You did? Brother said he missed you. Aww. You guys. You guys missed each other so much. What you want, cereal and waffles?
Yeah.
Or what you want, cereal or just waffles?
Waffles.
Just waffles? Are you so happy that Sissy's up? We were waiting for her, yeah?
Yeah.
So loving. Ninong and Nana's gonna come over after for a little bit. Is that gonna be fun? She's getting a desk for the back room. You okay?
I cough.
You have to cough? Oh, sicky babies. Ah! Feet on my face! Feet on my face! Is that good? Ready? Ow! Ow! Mmm. Yummy. Uh-oh. On his nose. Oh! All over his face. You need a little what? It's okay. You get too excited. Me and Tal are exactly the same. We need to start off our mornings with a nice cup of coffee. Now I'm ready to go. The itsy bitsy Lazy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out.
What?
You're what you are. Now that we got him down, Ayla's finishing up her breakfast slash lunch. I'm gonna clean up whatever mess we got right now, and then I'll call Talia, see how she's doing. Okay, so what are we gonna do? Squirrel game.
You go first.
Is your favorite?
You go first.
I'll go first. Green. Green, green, green. Ooh. Green?
No.
Oh. Let's see what you got.
Let's see. I just got
Blue. You got a color. Good job. Here you go. You're welcome. Ayla, stop. Carol, your turn. Being silly. No, you're just being silly. Okay, try your solo. That one. Are you winning right now? That's my side. Daddy has. How much points does Daddy have? How you doing, baby?
It's our turn.
My turn?
Yeah.
What is your feet doing right there? What is your feet doing? You're so cute. Look at your dimples. You gonna wear mommy's slippers?
It's ground so dirty.
Yeah, the ground is so
Yeah,
dirty.
I want real mommy.
Wow, you even look like mommy. Whoa, be careful. Okay, kick
Play
it down.
soccer. Play basketball.
Soccer.
No, soccer.
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 Good kick. Oh my gosh, she's a natural. Look who's up! From like a 2-3 hour nap, but Ayla ran to this and she said she hid this away.
Picture.
She drew a picture for her brother.
No, for you.
Oh, for me?
Yeah, for you.
Wow.
Daddy.
Thank you.
So I grabbed the on the picture.
And then she made it one for La'a. She wanted to give it to him so bad. Oh my goodness. Thank you, Ayla. Oh, love each other. Oh, you guys are so sweet. Thank you, baby. Can I have a kiss? Hi, handsome. Can I get a kiss? Ayla, Daddy got a surprise for you. All right, here we go.
Open.
Open it up. This is from La'a and Daddy. What is it? This says, Ayla, I love you. And that's from Daddy. And this says, Ayla, you're the best sissy from brother.
You and a picture.
You gonna draw us a picture?
Yeah.
Wow, okay.
Yeah. Dad,
Okay, I'm not looking, I'm not looking.
Dad,
Yes? Yes?
Daddy, open it.
I can open it now?
Yeah,
Okay.
open it.
Oh my.
Open it.
Record me, record me.
Okay. Turn.
Record me a lot opening it, okay? Okay. We got something good. Okay. That's a picture of me and La'a.
Yeah.
Wow, it's so nice. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Oh.
2, 3, 4, 5, 10.
Careful.
Any water?
Yeah, I'll take some water.
My son grabbed it.
Okay, son, can I get some water, son?
See you.
Thank you. That's your son?
Yeah.
Wow, he's a
Name
cutie.
is
He's a cutie.
Name is
Wow.
Name is
You really make a nice baby.
Yeah.
He looks really handsome. Still haven't heard from mommy yet, but a little update. Ayla's now taking a nap and La'a is having his breast milk. So we're still at home Having fun. We're waiting and she should be home any second now. Can't wait. I'm so stoked to see her. And her new hair, and then we'll see what we're gonna do. Oh, as you can see, my gauges, one white and one black. I lost the black one, so I just put this in here so it didn't like close up while I didn't have it in. Kind of ghetto, but let's fill up our baskets. What do you want to put inside, Ayla? A Minnie Mouse? You want to put apples?
Yeah.
Okay, get your apples. Put it inside the basket.
Banana.
What else?
Banana.
Bananas. Okay, put the bananas in.
My basket's too heavy.
Oh, your basket's so heavy. Okay, let's put it down. We're gonna run, 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 your sillies out, run, run, run. You're funny. Oh! Hi, teacher. What about you be Minnie Mouse? Okay. And La Abby's teacher.
Oh, what do you mean?
I'm gonna be
Let me count.
okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Wow,
10.
10. Good job.
10.
You have 10 eggs.
Let's
You're practicing for Easter?
let me see here. Actually, down.
You're cooling down.
Are you guys ready to see my hair? 4,
4,
3,
3,
2.
2, 1.
We're back to normal. Welcome.
Mommy,
Good morning.
on here.
Look, he's trying to get on me so bad.
And me.
This is what mommies get when they leave their babies all day. They get extra loving. They like both don't want to let me go, except you guys are kind of hurting my hair. Keikoa actually remembered that he needed new work shoes, you guys. So he literally, I got home and he ran out the door to make it to the mall
What?
before it closes.
Mashup.
And we brought Ayla a surprise. I brought her, oh my god, I love my new couch.
Mashup.
You got a PJ Masks?
I'll show you it.
Okay, you ready?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Surprise!
Surprise! Romeo! Yesterday my girlfriend gave birth to her baby. I've been talking about it on the vlog, and yesterday was the day. So I went to the hospital to go see my girlfriend and her beautiful baby, and it was just, he is just all crazy on me. So I ended up stopping by the hospital because it's actually a lot closer on the way home for my hair appointments. But you guys, that took all day. So it literally took her from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. I did so much. I went and got lunch by myself and ran through downtown. I just had a crazy day, but I missed you. I missed you so much. Do you know how much I missed you? It's finally back to normal. It's beautiful and blonde, just the way I like it. Something I'm actually gonna do right now is I'm gonna go live. So I'm gonna go live on YouNow. If you guys missed it, I'm sorry. I'm thinking of all of you. But yeah, I'm about to go live right now. Alright, so we are live on YouNow, and I just wanted to turn the vlog on. I'm gonna try go live about once a week. I have no idea when, so if you turn on your post notifications, then you will know when I post a video. This is everyone saying hi to the vlog. Hi, subscribers. Alright, let's see what you got at the mall. Wow. Oh my goodness. Introducing the construction worker.
Stop, babe.
I told Kiko I wasn't gonna show us upper half. Today was a really long day. I missed my babies so much. It was definitely so hard to be away from them all day. I needed to get my hair done. I'm super excited to see what he vlogged, and I missed out, like, you know, hanging out with them all day today. So I'm super excited that I can go back and look at the footage and see what they did all day. I literally love vlogging. It's so awesome. So when I was doing my live today, we played a game. It was called the Emoji Challenge. And I wish I have saved who thought of that first. But pretty much I explained an emoji to you guys through the live, and then whoever like writes the emoji down first wins. Whoever won, I was gonna give them a shout out. There was 5 winners for the emoji challenge, so shout out to America C, Melody 18, Subring M, Envy, and Delta Lisa 2003. Those are all very interesting names. I wish I knew what they all stood for. If I said your name, shout out to you, and comment down below and tell me what your guys' usernames stand for. I always find it really interesting how people come up with their usernames. I'm yawning, so that's my cue. It's time to go to bed. I love you guys all so much, and I'll see you all next time for another sun-kissed day. Good night, subscribers.